Hello guys, today I'm making chocolate covered cornstarch cookies, also known as alfajores dipped in chocolate. In a mixing bowl, add 200 grams of room temperature butter and 120 grams of powdered sugar. Whip this for around 5 minutes or until the butter turns white and fluffy. Scrape the sides of the bowl to make sure all the butter is whipped. Then add 3 egg yolks and whip again for a minute. Then add a teaspoon of vanilla and whip again for another minute. In another bowl, add 350 grams of flour, 150 grams of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda. Mix. And add it to the whipped butter. Mix until it's just incorporated. Then separate the dough into 2 and place each piece in a cling wrap or a plastic bag. Flatten using your hands or a rolling pin until it's 8 to 10 millimeters thick. Then place it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Cut circles Bake them in a preheated oven for 15 minutes on the highest rack or until light golden brown. Let them cool, then fill them with dulce de leche. Melt milk or dark chocolate and dip them. Leave them in the fridge until the chocolate sets. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe.